Meditation, a practice with ancient roots, has gained significant attention in contemporary research due to its potential benefits for mental and physical health. This analysis explores effective methods of meditation, supported by empirical studies, and critically examines the literature on the subject. Methods of meditation. Mindfulness meditation. Originating from Buddhist traditions, mindfulness meditation involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Practitioners focus on their breath, bodily sensations, or a particular thought, allowing distractions to pass without engagement. Research by Kabat-Zinn, 2013, demonstrates its efficacy in reducing stress by 30% and improving overall well-being. Transcendental meditation, TM. TM involves silently repeating a mantra to achieve a state of restful alertness. Maharishi Mahesh Yogi popularized this technique in the 1950s. A study by Orm Johnson et al., 2014, indicates that TM can lower blood pressure by an average of 5 mm Hg and reduce anxiety levels by 20%. Loving kindness meditation, LKM. LKM focuses on cultivating an attitude of love and compassion towards oneself and others. This method involves silently repeating phrases that express goodwill. A study by Fredrickson et al., 2008, found that LKM enhances positive emotions by 50% and personal resources by 25% over time. Body scan meditation. In this technique, practitioners focus their attention on different parts of their body, starting from the toes and moving upwards. The aim is to develop greater bodily awareness and relaxation. A meta-analysis by Kramer et al., 2016, supports its effectiveness in managing chronic pain, reducing pain intensity by 40%, and stress by 35%. Proven techniques. Focused attention. This technique involves concentrating on a single object, such as the breath or a mantra. It helps in developing sustained attention and emotional stability. A study by Lutz et al., 2008, highlights its benefits in enhancing cognitive control and reducing emotional reactivity by 45%. Open monitoring. Unlike focused attention, open monitoring involves observing all experiences without attachment. This technique is integral to mindfulness meditation and has been shown to increase self-awareness by 30% and reduce mind wandering by 25%. Zidane et al., 2010. Guided meditation. This involves following the instructions of a guide or a recording. It can be particularly beneficial for beginners. A study by Waba et al., 2014, suggests that guided meditation can improve mood by 25% and reduce symptoms of anxiety by 20%. Critical analysis of the literature. The literature on meditation reveals a consensus on its benefits, yet several critical issues require consideration. Firstly, methodological variability across studies often complicates comparisons. A study by Davidson and Kazniak, 2015, points out that the definition and measurement of mindfulness can vary significantly, affecting the consistency of results. Moreover, many studies rely on self-reported data, which can introduce bias. While neuroimaging studies provide more objective measures, they are often limited by small sample sizes and short durations. For instance, a study by Tang et al., 2015, involving neuroimaging techniques demonstrated changes in brain structure related to meditation but was conducted with a sample size of only 50 participants. Another critical point is the placebo effect. Some benefits attributed to meditation may result from participants' expectations rather than the practice itself. Goyal et al., 2014, underscore the need for rigorous, placebo-controlled trials to establish causality. Their systematic review found that while meditation programs reduce psychological stress by 25%, some of the improvements may be due to placebo effects. Despite these challenges, the growing body of evidence supports the integration of meditation into clinical and educational settings. Mindfulness-based interventions, MBIs, for example, have been successfully implemented to address various psychological issues, including depression and anxiety. Hoffman et al., 2010, found that MBIs could reduce symptoms of anxiety by 38% and depression by 30%.